Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account on the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address or your username and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to deactivate your account, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. Now, within the settings page, tap on Account and you will now see the Deactivate Account option at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now be asked whether you are sure that you want to deactivate your account. This means that your profile, your post and feeds will not be visible to any Bluesky users. However, you can reactivate your account at any time by simply logging in. In order to proceed, just tap on the Yes button and you may now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. To enter the verification code that will be sent to your inbox, you can simply check your inbox of your email address and you will find this verification code that you can use in order to verify your identity. After this step, you will be logged out from your account on the Bluesky app and your account has been deactivated successfully. Whenever you prefer to reactivate your account, you can log back in and you can once again use your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to deactivate your account on the Bluesky application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.